morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th mathematics chapter number 14th exercise 14.4. Following numbers of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Find mean, median, mode of these scores. इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले प्लीज वॉच concept video, after then you will come in question answer. Okay, so here you see first question want to ask mean that means average, mean that means average value. What is the meaning of average value? Average value, that means we will find mean, we will find mean. Okay, before starting this, first we will arrange all number in ascending order. Ascending order. So we will write arranging the data in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Then we will get first 0, after that 1, only one time, 2, 3, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we write 4 2 times and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First you will do this thing. Okay, here you see 3 repeat how many times? 4 times. 4 repeat only 2 times. 5 repeat only 1 times. 2 repeat only 1 times. This also 1 time. Okay, 1 time. So you see number of repetition, which number is largest? So 3 ऐसा number है जिसका repetition ज्यादा है. That means इसकी frequency ज्यादा. We will get frequency of 3 more than other. You see 4 is the frequency. So it is your mode. It is your mode. Because 3 कितनी बार repeat हुआ है? 4 टाइम्स रिपीट हुआ है और सबसे ज्यादा बार रिपीट होने वाला वर्ड कौन सा है आपका? 3. तो 3 क्या हो गया आपकी? मोड. ये क्या हो गया आपका? मोड. सो मोड क्या होता है? ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो वी विल से 3 इज आवर मोड. फर्स्ट आंसर वी फाइंड. ओके, नाउ यू सी सेकेंड वन, मीन. Mean, that means bar x. Mean, that means bar x. So we will write here sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Okay. Sum of all observation, that means 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4 plus 5. How many number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will plus with 10. You will simply plus and divide 10. So you will get another word. We will say this summation. Summation means sum. Summation, that means sum. We will take here I is equal 1 to 10. No need to remember this. This is the number. Sum of all observation divided by number of observation. So you see, if we plus every number, we will get 28, and if we divide, so we will get 2.8 is our mean. That means average. Mean, that means average. Now you see middle one. Here n is equal 10. N is equal 10. 10, that means even number. You see, if we have 3 things And if I ask you which one is middle, so you will simply say red one is middle. But if I have this four things, what we will middle? That means इन दोनों में से कुछ middle में आएगा. तो इन दोनों का जो average होता है वो आता है middle में. Average that means we will take two things and divide by 2. So like that we will find our mean. We will find our mean. So for median, we will find median. For median, we will see first n is equal 10. That means even number. That means even number. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we take 4 here and 4 here, how many left? 3. So if we take sum of both 3 number, we will get 3 by 3 divided by 2, so 6 by 6. So 3 is our median. It is simply without mathematics we will use it. But by formula we will do median is equal n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1. We will take this term divided by 2. So you see here, we will see n is equal how many number? 10. So 10 divided by 2 plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, and it is called term. And here you get 5th, 5 plus 1, that means 6th term divided by 2. So you see, this is our first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth. Fifth term is 3, sixth term is 3. So we will take 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3 is your answer. So what is their mean, median and mode? So we find mean is equal 2.8, median is equal 3 and mode also 3. So it is your answer. So like that you will solve all question answer. Now we move next question. You see solution and you write. I will provide you PDF also. It will help. Okay, now we will move our next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 you will do. I will explain you question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Question 3 says, the following observation have been arranged in ascending order. That means ascending order में आपको arrange नहीं करना है. If the median of the data is 63, that means they give median is R63. Median is R63. So in place of median, we will write 63 after that. Okay. And next one, find the value of x. We will find the value of x. And here you see, our observation is 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 85. First we see what is the number of n. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will find with this n is equal even. ऑड नंबर के लिए फॉर्मूला अलग होता है. ऑड नंबर के लिए आप जब लिखोगे तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, n+1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 टर्म लिख देना है, तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? ऑब्जर्वेशन का आंसर. ओके, तो यू सी हियर n इज इक्वल 10 that means even number, so we will go with this formula, same formula. Okay, so here you see n is equal, we will put 10, so we will get 10th by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term and divided by 2. So we will get same 5th and 6th observation. We will get 6th and 5th observation. So you see here our median is 63, 5th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term is x and sixth term is x by x plus 2. So we will write here x plus 2 and divided by 2. So you multiply with this 2. So we will get 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. And here you see 2x plus 2. X become 2x. So here we take 2. So we will get minus 2 is equal to x. So 2x is equal, we will get 2, 1 to 4. So x is equal, we will find 1 to 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 6 are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 62. Or question want to ask x plus 2. So x plus 2 is 62 plus 2. That means 64. It is your answer. So like that question you will solve. And one more question is there. Question number 5th. In question number 5th you see data in your column. Data in your column. So we will find that also. Okay. There they want to ask mean. Now you see question number 5 says find the mean salary of 60 workers. That means they give number of workers is 60. मतलब कोई एक फैक्ट्री है जिसमें या कहीं पे कोई काम करते हैं, कितने लोग करते हैं? 60 लोग. ठीक है, 60 वर्कर्स ऑफ अ फैक्ट्री फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग टेबल. 60 मेंबर्स हैं, वर्कर्स हैं जो काम करते हैं कहाँ पर? फैक्ट्री में. उनकी सैलरी 3000 कितने लोगों को मिलती है? 16 को. 4000 कितने को दे रहा है? वो 12 लोगों को. 500 सैलरी दे रहा है वो 10 मतलब वर्कर्स को. 600 सैलरी पाने वाले वर्कर्स कितने हैं? आपके 8. 7000 किसको मिल रही है? 6 वर्कर्स को. 8000 4 वर्कर को. 9000 3 वर्कर्स ऐसे हैं जिनको 9000 पे किया जा रहा है. और 10,000 मिलने वाले वर्कर्स कितने हैं? सिंगल 1. सो वी विल डू वन थिंग. हमको पता होना चाहिए एवरेज निकालने के लिए हमको सैलरी पता होनी चाहिए कितने लोगों की. ये तो बताया कि 16 लोगों को 3000 मिल रही है, बट टोटल कितनी दे रहा है व्यक्ति? तो आपको ये देखना है कि 3000 16th को मिल रही है. यहाँ पे 4000 किसको मिल रही है? 12. फिर 5000 कितने पीपल है? 10. यहाँ से 6000 कितने पीपल है? 8. देन 7000 कितने पीपल को मिल रही है? 6. कितने वर्कर है? 6. 8000 कितने वर्कर को दे रहा है? 4. And 9000 they will pay for 3 workers and 10,000 they will pay only single. So we will multiply and add, and after that we will get summation fi into xi. It is our sum of all observation. It is our observation and it is our sum of observation. So we will first multiply, after that plus, and we will do one more thing. You see, previous video they gave direct this observation, but here they gave in table form, and we will find our observation. It is our observation. It is also number and quantity. 3000 they will pay in 16 workers. So or totally they pay 48,000. Same thing. 12 workers they will pay only 4,000. So total they pay 48,000. So like that table we made, and if we plus this all, we will get 3500. Okay, 30500. So our mean is equal average. That means summation fi divided by xi divided by fi, and that means this is also summation fi. If we total all number, we will get 10. Another word we will say sum of observation divided by number of observations. So we will get 30500 divided by 6, and if you will solve this, you will get, sorry, one more zero. Okay, here one more zero. So you will get total 5083.3. It is our answer. Okay, it is your answer. So this much they pay, and it is our mean. So we complete our exercise 14.4.
Now we will move our next exercise. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.